What's up guys, this is the all new 2022 Honda CB300R BS6 variant. The main thing about this variant is this machine is now locally manufactured, not a CKD unit. The hull remains the same with the same 286cc single cylinder liquid cooled engine which produces 31.1 bhp at 9000 rpm and 27.5 Nm at 7500 rpm. It got a 220mm petrol disc with missing calipers and 17-inch wheels with MRF tires on the rear. Previously it was Michelin with same profile 150/60 R17. A 7-step adjustable monoshock at the rear. The tire pressure details are provided here. The engine is mated to a 6-speed transmission with slip assistant clutch. You can see the radiator is in black color. Previously it was in silver and gold and USD forks. Previously this one also was in silver color. Round headlamps and Honda badging is given inside. All the lights are in LED. The headlight, the tail lamps, indicators, everything is in LED. Front got a 296mm petrol disc with missing calipers and 110/70 R17 MRF wheels. The bike comes with a dual channel ABS. The thing I like the most in this bike is its styling. It's very compact and only weighs 146 kilograms. The seat height is 800 mm and ground clearance is 157 mm. Fuel tank got a capacity of 9.7 liters.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind.
Everything in this bike is basic, that is instrument cluster, switches. On the right side you can get the kill switch with engine start, and on the left side you can get the horn, indicators and headlight switch with pass.
Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill. I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
It got a fully digital instrument cluster with basics, that is fuel gauge, RPM meter, time, trip meters, odometer, average, gear position indicator, side stand indicator. There is no Bluetooth connectivity or any other fancy things. These are all about this bike. I will give a detailed review of this bike when it's available for test ride. I will let you hear the exhaust note of this bike. Just hear it. The booking for this bike is already started. You can contact this number and book a machine. So I am winding this video. I will be coming with a new video. Till then, ride safe, stay safe.